If you run an agency and you're still sending manual cold emails, you are burning cash. The data is brutal. Client acquisition costs have skyrocketed 217% since 2021. Meanwhile, reply rates have crashed to less than 1%. The old way of spamming generic templates isn't just annoying, it's dead. But while most agencies are struggling, a new group is winning. They aren't working harder, they're automated. Look at the math. Manual outreach caps your growth at human capacity. To get the same result manually, you'd need an army of SDRs costing thousands a month. The AI-assisted agency, they do it for pennies. So what are they doing differently? They are using what I call the AI client booker architecture. It's a self-optimizing machine where AI powers every stage from prospecting to close. Here is how it works under the hood. We don't just use ChatGPT to write emails. We use Zapier to feed prospect data into a custom GPT-4 engine. The AI analyzes the prospect's firmographics, their news, and their tech stack. Then, and this is the key, it writes a message that feels 100% human. It references their specific pain points, not generic fluff. Does it work? We deployed this for a digital marketing agency. In 90 days, their CAC dropped to $680, and they added $42,000 in monthly recurring revenue. The secret sauce isn't just the software, it's the prompts. If you use generic prompts, you get generic trash. You need the insight-led opener and the pattern interrupt frameworks. I've spent the last 18 months refining this entire system. I packaged the exact workflows, the Zapier maps, and the 5 golden prompts into a ready-to-deploy kit. You can spend months trying to figure this out yourself through trial and error. Or you can download the blueprint today and have your AI sales rep running by next week. Stop manual prospecting, start automated revenue. Click the link below to get the kit. I'll see you on the inside.